Once upon a time, a curious child named Mia embarked on an adventure filled with colors and shapes in her vibrant backyard. She discovered red flowers swaying in the breeze, while the sunny sky above glimmered in blue. As she explored, she noticed the shapes of soft clouds and tall trees, bringing her imagination to life. One day, Mia spotted a playful puppy that barked a cheerful woof, and it inspired her to learn about animal sounds. With each discovery, Mia's world became richer, igniting her love for learning about the beauty of nature and her surroundings.